trying to break off the lock.
Oh, do you think it's actually going to do it?
Maybe. You gonna bust out?
We had planned on spending several weeks in Wisconsin, but we found out that the campground we were going to stay at didn't have good Wi-Fi, and with several big work projects, that just wasn't going to work for us. So instead, we had to boondock one night on our way through, and we found the perfect harvest host for us to stay at.
This is our first harvest host day. We are in Wisconsin at a goat cheese factory. This is actually a creamery here, and they parked us right next to the kid zone. So we get to hang out with these goats, and we're gonna go see some goats in the milking process in a few minutes. Jonah, do you wanna go do that? Yeah. You see the goats? What are they doing over there? Got a scratch.
Hey, goat. What are you doing, goat? I think it wants to bite my hand, Mom.
Think so?
Yeah.
Maybe. Z, do you know what a goat says?
Way.
It says way.
It goes like this, see?
It's hard to believe this was our front porch for the night. At times, I wondered who was really watching who.
What are you doing? You want out? I don't blame you. Bye, goats!
One goat.
So it's kind of an automatic feeder. Just climb on you.
You're hungry, I guess you want to be first. Oh, she still put the milker on him. Just make her stay like that.
There's food.
Hey, goat.
Not sure where to go. How many times have you done this?
They're so cute.
She's like little Bo Peep.
I think they'd be used to us standing here.
Are you being a goat? Definitely a goat. They're watching you, Taryn. Think bigger.
Well, it's milk here.
Oh yeah, they sell milk there.
Oh.
Oh, ice cream, look at that.
I don't think they have our kind, though. Yeah.
3 out of 5 of our kids are allergic to dairy, but goat's milk has a different protein in it, and so my kids were actually able to try this during this visit, which is kind of a big deal for kids with food allergies.
What do you think, Jude? You like it? What'd you think, Dee? Did you like it?
More? You want another one? You like that one? Karen, is you gonna go try it?
I think the goat curds
Why?
taste better.
Good, Jonah?
They're both delicious, but I like the goat curd.
Good.
Yes. So we got the aged cheddar and the goat curds and some
Mozzarella sticks.
Yes.
You're on it. How come these guys remind me of Jonah so much? What was that laugh, Jonah Bear?
Me.
Jonah's half goat.
Yep, I'm half goat.
We believe it's really important for our children to understand nutrition as well as where their food comes from, how those animals are treated, and farming practices. And so this was a really great stop for us because they got to learn a little bit about that.
Those.
Goats? You see the goats?
Okay.
Right there. Say goats.
Those.
Your money? What happened?
Tried to follow JoJo through the mud, and his foot got stuck, so he fell over about 4 times,
Your money?
trying to get out.
That's rough. We need some of those things called adventure wipes. Honey does not look amused at all. Farm life might not be for us, hon. Alright, we're getting ready to find out if goats are quiet or loud at night. You realize how many there are when you can see them like that. Come look, Jason.
Wow.
It goes all the way back there.
It's so funny every now and then. Look at that one in the middle climbing. Every now and then you'll see one that's like up on top of somebody else's back or climbing up on a fence or something.
Yeah.
Is this a cool stage, Jonah?
Yeah.
I think so too.
Especially goat milk cheese.
Goat milk cheese.
Yeah.
Say goodnight, goats.
Night goats.
So goats are actually pretty quiet at night. The window's open. There's a couple thousand goats several yards away and you can't even hear them. They're really quiet. Good morning. Thank you for being a quiet neighbor.
Go.
Hey, goat. You did it!
Ow.
Did it get you? Got your finger? Be careful. They like dandelions, don't they? Alright, so our first harvest host day was a success. Turns out goats are very good neighbors. They're pretty quiet at night. We are up and out fairly early for us. And heading on up to Michigan today. We're really excited. You ready to go to Michigan?
Yeah, let's pick it up.
You ready to go to Michigan?
Yeah.
Here to
Welcome to Michigan.
We decided to spend more time in Michigan than any other state this year, and we are super excited to be here.